What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Y'all know what it is. Your boy JP coming to y'all with another how-to 2005 Kia Sorento EX. Don't know if I did one of these before, but if I did, oh well, I'm about to show it to you again because I can't remember. I do a lot of these. But either way, man, this is your first time tuning in to the channel. Please consider subscribing. These are the type of things that we do: car audio tutorials, radio removals, anything car audio install related. That's what this channel is about. Now, some of you are going to be kind of mad at me because I've already taken this part off, but I wanted to test the condition of the radio because it is pretty good. But this lady's super nice. She prayed for me and everything, and I ain't even asking her to do that. But either way, first thing we want to do, and I took this small flat profile. See, it kind of has a little curve on it, a little edge, and I went right here and I popped this back here. There was a clip there, and then I went to the top and did the same thing. I'm gonna go ahead and slide this one out, and we're gonna take this one off together because I do think that it is in good condition. But I will show you the clips and where they are at, so you guys know where to put the tension so you don't crack yours. So, ooh, that was a good one. All right, so let's see if I can't just kind of bring it forward. There we go. Small little pressure to bring that forward, and we're gonna set that down just like that. Now, in your vehicle, if you do have an option to where the hazard lights or something is in there, just take the harness out. That wasn't the case for this, so we didn't need to. Now, the next thing we need to do is actually take this part off. So we're gonna have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 Phillips, which should take this part off. So for this, I'm just going to use my straight bit with my Milwaukee drill, and then I do have my right angle driver to go ahead and take off them top two because it's going to make it easier for me to do that. So let's go ahead and take these screws out. All right, now that we have those out, this should be very simple to just kind of slide. Now, this thing is old and brittle, been sitting out in the sun, so you definitely want to be extremely careful with that piece. I don't have to take anything else off down here, so I'm just going to lay that there. If you feel more comfortable with taking everything off as far as the harnesses and putting it to the side, then feel free to do what you got to do. Just don't break that bit. All right, so now is the easy part. 2 on the left, 2 on the right, and we're gonna have that radio. All right, now that we have all that out, and that thing gonna slide out just like that. We have a harness back here in the back. Press those, and then we have the antenna. All right, so as y'all can see, we got this ugly old radio out. Now let's get over here to the dash, and get over here to the bench so we can get our dash prep. All right, y'all, so this part's actually pretty easy. Here is the radio that the client has. This is the dash kit. Don't worry about the parts. I will have the list in the description along with links as long as I can find them for you guys so you can do the exact same thing. So this thing comes with 3 pieces, 2 sides and a front. And basically you want to take these 2 and stick it in the hole. There is a R on here, DDXR for right, and the other one says DDXL for left. So as you see, the 2 holes line up. They are different sizes, so you won't have to worry about which one's left and which one's right, and if you actually have it on backwards. So we're just gonna stick that, and of course everything just kind of fell out. Put that back in like that. And then we're gonna come over here, stick that one back in like this. And then what we do is we take this and then we stick it over the top of our radio. So we just kind of have our radio like that. Slide that boy over. and that's what it looks like. Like I said, we just took what we did, slid it over the radio. Now you see how it lines up. Now we're gonna take the screws that came with the radio, put 2 on the left, 2 on the right, and then this thing will be ready to go. Also, we got 2 screws on the left, 2 screws on the right. Got that thing right here looking nice. Let's go ahead and get it back inside the car, get it wired up so you can see what it looks like when it's all said and done. All right, y'all, so I got it back in, doing a little test fitting, and this is your first time tuning in. You're probably thinking, why didn't I actually go over all of this wiring back here in the back? Well, the reason I don't do that anymore is because I have over 160 different removal and reinstall videos, and it takes too much time to go over the wiring every single time. So to save time, I made one video showing you guys how to wire up a radio. I go over connections, what these aftermarket wire colors mean. There will be a link in the description and a card in the corner, so you guys have a secondary resource on how to do that. And for the people who already know how to wire up a radio, I can keep these videos short, sweet, straight to the point, and keep it as efficient as possible. Yes, every car is different, but as long as you know the aftermarket wire colors, you should be good. Now, for the Patreon users, I will be giving you guys the behind the scenes footage about where I actually tapped in for my backup camera and all that type of stuff, because that's what I did on this car, a radio and a backup camera. So you will get that footage if you guys want to be further supporters of the channel to get those behind the scenes stuff and chances to win some free car audio stuff. That link is in the description. These product links are in the description. Other than that, let me get this thing pushed back in here and get this dash put up so you guys see what it looks like when it's all said and done. Put you on a fight! Alright, y'all, so that's what it looks like when it's all said and done, man. Got the radio in, we got the backup camera working. Bam! Okay, backup camera. Now, if you guys find any type of value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff. The product links are in the description. The Patreon links are in the description. If you want to find out where that backup camera wire is, go ahead and hit your boy up on the Patreon. Until next time, this is your boy JP signing out, man. Peace. I'll catch y'all at the next car.